This is Chapel Milton Viaduct, one of two viaducts in the North Peak district. The scheme involves the infilling of the voids within the spandrels across 15 arches over this viaduct with geopolymer resin as a void filler, followed by track works and the installation of precast concrete units. During the construction phase of this viaduct 160 years ago, the Victorians essentially built a series of voids between each spandrel over each pier. Over the years, these voids have seen some wear and tear. The installation of the geopolymer resin, it fills up the void, preventing the ingress of water, ballast, other sorts of debris. That allows us to continue with our works above the ground that ultimately help us improve the longevity of the viaduct. It was the most suitable product on the market. It's been tried and tested on multiple other schemes. So essentially we create a pilot window from the existing barrier level down to the cover slab that sits above the void. We put a sleeve in, so in this instance we're using 100mm drainage pipes. Other subcontractors following behind, and what they do is they use a core drill. They core drill through that cover slab straight into the void, and then Geobear follow up behind them with their injection resin gun that you can see in the background, and they inject the void with approximately 150 kilos of resin. This particular resin sets within 15 to 20 seconds of it leaving the nozzle of the injection gun. That means where some of these voids have dilapidated over the last 160 years and there's cracks and fissures and whatnot, the risk of leakages is quite slim because within 15 to 20 seconds or so it hardens. The speed at which it's injected and it hardens, it means we're averaging about 15 minutes per void. It's inert, so if you do have leakages, there's not an environmental risk associated with using this product, or less of a risk in comparison to, say, a cementitious resin. The ecology around this area is quite sensitive. You've got residential properties underneath, you've got a public footpath, trail to be honest, and then you've got a brook or a small stream underneath one of the arches as well. So the fact that it's inert and it sets quickly were really key drivers. Because of the nature of the works that are going in the forefront, you can see behind me, we've only had the opportunity to undertake them in blockades, weekend possessions. There's a lot of logistical challenges associated with this scheme in general, but the use of this product by Geobear means the limited opportunity that we do have on track, we can maximise it to get as many voids filled as possible.